A safe return to learning requires careful preparations for the new school year. Inside Buncombe County Schools, this includes the addition of social distancing markings, signage, and health screenings for students, staff, and visitors. It also means maintaining a consistent supply of soaps and sanitizers for regular, effective hand cleaning. Our trained custodial staff understand the importance of thorough cleaning and disinfecting practices. This two-step process is an important part of stopping the spread of COVID-19 and other harmful microorganisms in shared spaces. First, cleaning a surface or object means using soap or detergent and water to physically remove germs, dirt, and impurities. This lowers the risk of infection by physically reducing the number of germs. Next, disinfecting then kills germs by use of specially formulated products. Through training in the safe use of cleaners and EPA-registered disinfectants, BCS staff will thoroughly and frequently clean and disinfect common surfaces and objects. These include surfaces like desks, doorknobs, light switches, handrails, telephones, handles, faucets, and elevators, as well as surfaces found in hallways, bathrooms, and in-class bathrooms. When safe to use, this will also include playground structures, drinking fountains, athletic equipment, and band or art spaces. And through proper cleaning and disinfecting of school environments, we're looking forward to a safe return this school year for both students and staff.